Hey guys, today we got a Bedslide 1000 Pro SE 1,000-pound Bedslide. It's a used unit. It's decent shape. It's still got plenty of life left in it. It's a 48-inch by 72, so it fits most full-size trucks with a short bed. Like I said, it is used. It's got a little bit of wear and tear on it. See on the side here, it has some scratches and some rust on it here. The floor looks good. I don't see any major tears or damage to the rubber floor. A couple little scuff marks right there. There's one right there. I don't know. Actually, it looks like they might have had something a little bit hot right there, but really the floor looks pretty good. Tie downs right here on the side. Right there, so you can slide these up and down wherever you want to put them and tighten them up. These will slide down this track all the way down through here. Same on this side. A little bit of the paint's coming off, flaking off there, but looks like this side has one tie down on it. Same as the other side, it's a little scratched up, and I guess it's got wear and it's been used. Of course, you can always still use these for tie downs. I'm sure I don't see any reason why that wouldn't hold some stuff from sliding around. Little bungee cords. I mean, you wouldn't want to strap down a four-wheeler, but some bungee cord in a toolbox or something like that wouldn't be bad. Look, it is a Bedslide brand, 1000 Pro SE. So this is pulls out. You squeeze this like that, and this allows it to slide out. Now this has multiple different stopping points. You just heard it click right there, and that stops there. It'll slide out just that little bit right there. We'll go to the next spot, pull that out, and it'll slide to the next spot, and it stops. Then that'll slide out a little bit more. I believe it's got 3 stopping points. Should be another one right there. That slides out even a little bit further there. Then this is the parts right there where they latch in to when you slide them out. And then well, it actually has one more. Didn't even realize that. And that might be it. Let me see if it goes out any further than that. Nope, yeah, that's pretty much it. It only slides further so that you can take it out if you wanted to leave the frame on the bed. If you want to leave the frame on the bed, you could take this out, this Bedslide off that, or when you're installing it, it makes it easier to install it. But it bolts into the floor right there. You have to get an install kit for it. Or you can just nut and bolt it through the floor, but typically the install kit is a nut zert kit, or riv nuts you call it, and then you just drill a hole in the floor and you just put those riv nuts in it. You squeeze this here and it allows it to go all the way back up. You can stop it at different points like that if you didn't want it to go all the way up, but it'll go all the way up and then it locks in place like so. There it is, the Bedslide 1000 Pro SE. It's 48 inches wide, 72 inches long. So most full-size trucks with the short bed, the 6.5 foot bed, 72. I'd have to. But yeah, so basically it's 72 inches long. If it's, well, the handle would make it a little bit longer. Let's see what that makes it. Let's do the overall length if you're just curious. I'm sure somebody's gonna want to know that, so let's just do that. Overall length, handle and all, basically 75 inches. So Yeah, basically a full-size truck with the 6.5 foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, see how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, or you want to go through our used inventory, that's all online there as well. So you can click that link, type in what you're looking for in the search bar, and we'll get it sent out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for our, if you're looking for something specific for your truck, certain truck cap style, brand, color, a different style bed slide, a different size, what have you, or just a lift kit, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as the inventory comes in. So you want to subscribe below to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. Also, as with all our truck caps, all our used units, used pieces, these are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.